Hi, this is Red from MR Sportscars. Here I've got a 2011 Porsche Boxster S. It's a 987 Gen 2. It's finished in Guards Red, which is a classic Porsche colour, which hasn't changed for decades. Just a really iconic colour, really striking. Even overcast weather like this, and it just absolutely shines. Now it's got a huge amount of options on it. I might forget a few, but I'll just get started and say that it's first of all got the 19-inch sport design wheels with an additional option for them to be finished in metallic black with a silver edge, and that was from the factory. So there you go. They are shod in Pirelli P0 tyres, which are N-rated. Yeah, there we go, N2. So they are Porsche approved high performance tyres, which is what you need on a car like this. It's the 3.4 flat 6, 310 horsepower. And crucially, as a rare option, it's fitted with a 6-speed manual gearbox. So I don't tend to get a lot of these anymore. Most are spec with a PDK, it's the 7-speed. So this is extremely desirable. It's got BOSE, so there's the BOSE there, and also there's the subwoofer there. Normally you would get a center cubby. It's got the sports seats, so the hardback sports seats, so they have a silver back to them. It's also optioned with a lot of special order options, including red seat belts, red rollover bar, so normally that would be silver. The center console is also finished in Guards Red. Then also the vent surrounds and all of this trim is also specified with Guards Red. Thanks. So it's also got the embossed headrest, so that's another option for these sports seats. Seat heating as well, so that's this button here. And then it's got the PCM3, which is another option. So it's got sat nav built in, telephone module, but also another quite cool option, which I don't see very often, is it's got the 6 CD and DVD changer, so you can play DVDs, you can play CDs, and you can have 6 of them loaded into this actual PCM head unit. Now that's a very rare option indeed. And also show you can have a SIM card there, or you can connect your phone via Bluetooth. So there's the glove box, which is lockable, and then it's got the cup holders. So yeah, that's great. I mean, that center console in Guards Red with also this. So this was another option to have this section here, the gear surround, also finished in Guards Red. So very, very unusual and high spec. The external vents have also been spec'd in black, which normally they're silver. It's got the LED tail lights, and also it's got the PDLS headlights, so this part rotates, and it's also got the headlight washer, and it's got daylight running lights. So going back on the inside, as you can see, I've pulled up the service information. It was serviced in October 2020, and it was a major service with a Porsche specialist. it included spark plugs, the auxiliary drive belt, brake fluid change, but it also included changing the clutch and changing the flywheel. So the bill for that complete service was in the region of £3,500. So it's had a complete recommission where possible. We've obviously checked the car, so there's no issues with coolant pipes, brake pipes, or anything else. Everything's working, the air conditioning's working as it should. Now it's covered 53,786 miles, which is quite low again for a 2011, and it also has only 2 previous owners. All the servicing has been done at Porsche main dealers and Porsche specialists. It's also equipped with the cruise control, so that's extra stalk there. Then it's also got this multi-function steering wheel, so you can control the phone, the volume for the stereo, you can change the station, you can hang up the phone there, all from the steering wheel itself. It's got this nice sort of ergonomic shape with slightly square at the bottom here. But also, if I press a secret button, there we go. There, it's got steering wheel heating. So there's an extra button for that option, which is just there, which means that you can have, as well as the heating for the heated seats, you've also got the steering wheel gets nice and warm as well. Now I'll just show you that the spoiler works. So I'll just turn it on. I'll just press the spoiler button. So it's got air conditioning as well, so that's climate control, 1 zone. I'll just do that, and then I'll show you that spoiler going up. So that goes up as it should. That's what it looks like with it up. And then I'll press it again. You have to put it down, you have to hold it down, and then it goes down until the light goes out. Next I'll do the hood. So it's got obviously black leather and the black hood, which has got a heated rear glass. So that's all in great condition. So we've treated the hood with Auto Glim hood protector kit, which includes a shampoo and the abrasive sponge to sort of agitate any dirt that's in there, and then it's got the protector spray, which leaves a water resistant coat, a bit like you would spray on a waterproof jacket. So basically you would apply that every sort of 3 to 6 months, just to keep it looking like this, nice and black, and repelling all of the rainwater if it's outdoors. It is a very durable sort of mohair material, so it doesn't leak. It's actually quite insulating sound wise as well, but it's also got a double skin, so the inside is all cloth, so when you're driving it isn't actually that intrusive on the road. I'll just put it down. As you can see, it goes all the way down as it should. That's it down again. So yeah, I mean, it looks absolutely fantastic. I'll just show you the storage. So there's the rear boot. It's got 2 boots. There's quite a lot of space in this. You can actually get a set of golf clubs across this boot. There's where you top up the coolant and the oil. Should it need it, you can check the levels of those when the car's warm through the computer. Just the oil, the coolant, it will be fine until basically it tells you it's not fine and needs topping up. So there is the front boot. Here's all the tools. So it's got the locking wheel nut, the 12 volt tyre inflator, towing eye, a set of tools including a headlight adjustment tool. Then it's also got the tyre gel, and it's got the amplifier there for the stereo. The stereo is a 10 speaker system. And then here is where the battery is. So it's a decent Bosch 80 amp hour battery, which is what Porsche recommend if you haven't got theirs. It's an 80 amp hour, that's the size that you need to start these cars. The bodywork's in fantastic condition, as you can see, and Guards Red really sets it off. The 987 Gen 2s are sort of the sweet spot because they have the modern DFI engine, so the direct fuel injection engine, so they don't suffer bore scoring, they don't suffer RMS or IMS issues, and they're still narrow enough to cope with UKB roads. And essentially the styling as well is loved by a lot of people, a lot of Porsche fans as well. So there you have it. It's a 2011 987 Gen 2 Boxster S, finished in Guards Red. If you'd like to find out more, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.